One of the greatest things you can get your budgie is a birdsong. They love birdsong. They love, love, love it. But you just got to make sure you get the right one. You want to get one that they like and they can swing on and they can like play on. Very important. You want to get them something that they like. That's very important. That's the green one just squawking away. Very important. You see that? Yes, we see you. And it's also important to get them the, good purchase that they like to walk across. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There it is. There it is. Spider bird.